I say ever since third grade, math has always been my favorite subject. Like, because, I don't know, like I said, I suck ass at reading, spelling, everything that has to do with reading. I suck at it. But math, I was good at it. The only problem I have with math is that I tend to just forget everything. Like, during the school year, I got it. But then when it's time to summer break and I come back, everything, all the equations, how where this supposed to go, this, that, I forget it all. And I was the best in math for algebra. Algebra was my easiest and I was the best at that. Algebra and I think statistics. Because during statistics class, our teacher didn't really give us a lot. He would give us like 1 page minimum, but like it was usually 1 to 2 pages. And we have do nows and he give us 5 minutes. And by the time he start the do now, I'll be done with the whole paper. Because he had a section where it explained to you what you need to do. So I was just there for like 40 minutes doing nothing for the class, and everybody would want to cheat off me, ask me questions on a fucking test. And I'm like, please stop talking to me because then you're going to mess up my test. It's going to be invalidated if I get caught telling you the fucking answers. But despite that, also, I guess I had a problem with like minus and plus signs where I would look for algebra, I would do the equation, but for some reason I would see a plus sign and not a minus, or a minus sign and not a plus, and that would fuck up the whole thing. And I would not. Sometimes I could catch it myself when I'm looking over it, but then my teacher would be like, "You messed something up," and I'm like, "What the fuck did I mess up?" And they would have to tell me because I just couldn't see it. But it was always universal for me, for math, was the tests. I will always do so well during classes, but when it came to tests, the regents, state exam, I was dog shit because I would just forget everything. It would just go blink. It was just blink. And I remember at some point I was like, okay, no way for me to cancel this. I'm gonna look at my notes right when as soon I'm gonna. Can I not talk? I'm gonna read the notes, and as soon as they put the test in front of me, I'm gonna close the book, and I should be able to remember everything. Cause I was looking at it a couple seconds ago. Tell me how the fuck that didn't work. Cause I remember the first time I opened that thing, and the first question was what I just saw in the book, and I just couldn't remember the equations. I just did not know what was going on. This problem got fixed back in high school, actually. Funny enough, the regions, I got a 72. Even though I did forget some things, I still remember a good chunk. But I did better in English than math.